Stickers! A bit oversized, especially not if I'm going to Amsterdam. This thing. Good morning, it is my day off, so I'm heading to the city very soon, but I wanted to unbox a package that I got from the brand Nom. They sent me a few things and I haven't even unpacked it, but it already looks so cute. Oh my god, they're stickers! They let me pick a few items and the first one is this makeup pouch. The fabric is so thick that it almost feels like a blanket. Love this, and it's also so spacious. Then we have this very pretty oversized long sleeve. I think I'm gonna wear this today. I also chose this long sleeve cardigan in chocolates. So stunning. It's like tailored at the waist. I woke up very early because I had to do my full shower, but right now it's almost 7:30, so I almost need to leave, which means that I'm running late even though I woke up so early. I'm wearing the oversized long sleeve. It's so comfortable. And I think it's gonna be even cuter when I can wear it with a skirt, but right now it's just not the weather for it. So I'm wearing my diesel jeans that I haven't worn in so long. They're like a bit oversized and straight leg. And I'm wearing them with my tabbies. So this is gonna be the outfit for today because we gotta leave. I also need to pack my bag real quick. I'm gonna put everything in this bag and then put this in my bag. I'm going for my Miu Miu bag today, so I'm gonna put this whole pouch in here if it fits. It fits perfectly in this bag, which is perfect. Because it's an open bag, I don't want all my stuff to be exposed, and especially not if I'm going to Amsterdam, so that people can rob me. Okay, we gotta go.
Nee, hè?
Maar dat vind ik wel altijd grappig om te zien. Dan kan je keer 2 inzoomen.
Oh, chill.
Maar dat is echt max.
Ja.
Hoi. Nee joh.
Ja. Ja. Maar de vorige was nog fout.
Oh.
Ja.
De left side.
Wauw. Ja, die twee kanten.
Ja. Jij weet, ja, dat weet je wel. Wel grappig, hè?
Nee, dat als je flitst, omdat hij hier zo zit,
Ja.
krijg je een grotere schaduw. Maar mensen hebben comparison gedaan en mensen zeiden, ik vind het eigenlijk wel chiquer dat je iets meer schaduw ziet. Dus influencers zeiden weer van, waarom zit er dan altijd schaduw naar rechts?
omdat de kwaliteit gewoon een stuk beter is. En dit is veel breder scherp. Dit is een collab.
Oh ja.
Special topper with wheat grain tempura. Must.
It's done.
At last,
It's
we found the tempura.
We are going to order the garlic ameze men and the kimchi, and they also have cauliflower tempura. And I've been wanting tempura for a while now, so I'm very happy that that's on the menu. I will drink some yuzu.
Secret recipe.
This side because the flavor.
Saus op erop.
Don't mix it? Yeah, we have 2 layers of soup.
Oh.
Here's the simple soup. Here's the mushroom.
Maar die kimchi is dan ook homemade en dan is die ook dus vegetarisch gemaakt. Want in de echte kimchi zit er volgens mij genoeg.
Of any fish, anchovies, kan wel zijn, ja. Ja, dat is lekker.
It's a smoked flavor.
Yeah. Can we take this? Yeah, thank you so much.
Heel lekker.
Veel flavor, toch?
Ja, en ik blad ook. Heerlijk. Influencer. Lekker deze. Deze is niet speciaal.
Home sweet home. I want to show you guys a little haul. This is not part of the haul, but I want to show you guys the bag that I wore today because I got some compliments today. This bag is my vintage Miu Miu bag. I think I showed you guys already, but I also put the my mom made it bag charm on it that I showed you in a previous vlog, I think. I did put the makeup pouch in it to use as like a in-bag bag. And it came in really handy, really nice to use. Then I went to Brandy Melville, of course. I had to get some things. I saw these really cute capri leggings. I got a matching top, long sleeve cardigan. I think that would look really cute together. And I also got this little pink striped wallet. And this is because I've been using a pouch or a wallet thing that's basically falling apart. So I had to get something new. I've showed this one before, but I've been using this Hello Kitty one and it actually opened up on the zipper part. So sometimes stuff just falls out. I really needed something new and this is a similar size. Then I also dropped by at a.kjaerbede. And I still don't know how to pronounce it, but I picked out a few sunglasses. They were so kind to give these to me, so super happy with that. And I also tried to pick some styles that I don't really have yet. I love how round and big these are, and they fit so well on my nose bridge because I don't have a really outstanding nose. It's rather flat, so sometimes with certain sunglasses I just don't have the face frame for it. These next sunglasses to me feel like old Hollywood kind of style. I'm not sure if you understand what I mean with that, but I thought these were very cute and like nice big sunglasses, and they are the same as the other one. Like it fits nicely on my nose bridge and it doesn't touch my cheeks at all. I'm excited to start wearing sunglasses during winter. Normally I don't really do that, also because if I wear sunglasses I feel like my sight is restricted because it's just not the reality that you're seeing anymore because of the lens, obviously. Maybe that's just me, but I just have that kind of weird issue with it. This is the last pair that I chose. I wasn't sure if it's too wide for my face. I also let my boyfriend try these on actually already, so I think he will probably wear these. Almost dinner time, so I'm gonna play on my Switch for a little bit and then we're gonna make some dinner. It's the end of the day, time to remove my makeup. I'm still using the Tear makeup remover. This is my favorite makeup remover so far. As you can see, it's almost empty, but I already have a backup, of course. I ordered it a while ago. I'm so tired because I was up at 6. It's been a whole day. It was a really fun day though, so I didn't really try to be productive. It was just a very social day and trying some new things, going to new places. All clean again. It's such a mess out here. Wow. I ordered some skincare on Yesta again because I kept seeing this on my For You page. It's people that were kind of extracting the dirt in their nose with this type of serum and then using a little tool. And because I saw it so many times, I just had to buy it. I bought this deal package and it comes with the sebum softener and wrap cotton pads, which look like nose strips. And then I also bought this tool with it. This is basically just a scraper. So after the sebum is kind of softened, you start scraping against your skin and then the sebum will come out, something like that. The strip is on my nose. It does kind of have a smell, which I'm not too much of a fan of. But I guess we're gonna let this sit for about 10 minutes. It is now 11:21. I'm gonna clean the desk while we're waiting for this. If this angle makes me look like Voldemort because my nose is practically not visible. Am I overreacting? I probably am. Anyway, let's take it off right now. It's been 10 minutes and I'm impatient because I want to go to bed. Okay, so it's not like I see anything coming out, but we're gonna have our little scraping tool. So you want to start pushing. So as you can see, there's already some residue on this thing, but I'm not sure if it's just my skin. I can't really tell if I'm scraping dirt or if I'm scraping my skin. It does come off as quite yellow, so it does seem like it's something in my pores and not just my skin. I feel like compared to what I saw with other people, there's not that much coming out of my nose, but maybe I didn't keep it on for too long. Or I didn't keep it on for long enough because I was very impatient. Do my pores look more clean, guys? Let me know in the comments down below. I'd like to believe that my nose does look a little bit cleaner, but who knows? But anyway, thank you for watching the vlog. As always, I'm gonna end it here. I'm gonna do the rest of my skincare and go to bed real fast because I'm so tired. I'm happy that I spent my day off outdoors instead of staying home all the time. I'm going to see you next Sunday as always. Stay healthy, stay thriving, and bye.